So I was facing this issue in Google Sheet where I was not able to insert any row. You can see here. As soon as the row is inserted, again it is getting deleted automatically. Also, I was not able to delete the row. So if I right click and click on delete row, you can see that this Cupid limited is still there. So the reason why this was happening is that also other thing is that I was not able to move the rows like that. So you can see that I was trying to move this Cupid over here, but still it is at the same position. So lots of things like this were happening, and reason why they were happening like that is because I was using this query function over here. So this data is actually getting fetched from this portfolio worksheet and from this particular column. And I was using this query, select B where D is equal to small cap. So basically what is happening is that this data is getting fetched from other sheet and getting overwritten. So if you're using any function like query or import range, then in that case, this deleting rows or inserting rows will not work. Thanks for watching.